In this video, I'm going to show you how to create loop back soundtracks music freely from YouTube. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to log in our YouTube account and then we have to access studio.youtube.com. Once you logged in over your account, then left side you will see a couple of options are there. From here, you have to go create your music beta. So you just need to click here, and once you click here, then it will be looking like this. From here, you will find on tab is there music assistant. You just need to click here, and very shortly music assistant window will be opened. And now there is a small description box where you need to type the description you want to create the video or type of the music you are looking for. So here they mentioned create 60 seconds loop back soundtrack, and here there are a couple of sample music prompt is there, and also some suggestion is there. So to create anything, you just need to click here and then you need to write something. I'm going to click here. For example, I'm going to click here, and after clicking here, it will take some minutes, like 1 minute to 2 minutes, to generate this type of music. And sometimes it generates 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So till now I found like 2 or 3 always, to either 2 types or 3 types music it will generate automatically. And once it is generated, then you can download the music which you like. So you can also play over there. Let me wait whether after the generation of the music I will show you how it is generating. So here I see it generated already 4 track 1, 2, 3, 4, and each of them is almost 1 minute. Although it is mentioning 60 seconds, but some of them are 55, 59, 58 like this, and this is completely 60 seconds. And if you want to listen the music, you can play it. You can click here and it will start playing the music, and that's it. In this way you can easily create free 60 seconds like loopable soundtracks using this music assistant. You can generate as much as you want. So far I saw it can generate till now, there is no issue. Download any music if you like from here. Suppose I want to download this music because I liked it, so there is a download button. Once you click here, it will start download and it will be downloaded shortly, and then you can use it for your own project. And that's it. In this way we can easily create music and also download from YouTube Studio